Think high ceilings, exposed brick, metal pipes, and tons of character. Welcome to the world of industrial loft interiors, where structure is the style. If you love open layouts and raw textures with a dash of modern comfort, let's explore how to design a loft that feels edgy, lived in, and entirely yours. This living space mixes vintage materials with modern layout. Exposed brick walls, a brown leather sofa, steel coffee tables, and Edison bulbs hanging above. Every element tells a story. Add a faded rug and abstract artwork for balance. The bedroom stays grounded in texture. A black metal bed frame, raw concrete walls, layered neutral bedding, and metal sconces define the space. The vibe? Simple, masculine, effortlessly cool. An industrial dining room combines form and function. A reclaimed wood table, black steel chairs, and a statement chandelier anchor the space. Add oversized artwork or shelving for that loft gallery vibe. The kitchen is sleek but beautiful. Matte black cabinets, open metal shelving, concrete countertops, and subway tiles bring function and edge. Industrial doesn't mean cold, it just means clean and real. fluff, just personality. The entryway welcomes with a raw bench, pipe coat rack, and statement lighting. Add a bold mat or vintage signage for that instant loft feeling.
Even the bathroom has attitude.
A concrete sink basin, matte black fixtures, exposed plumbing, and a vintage mirror make it both practical and bold. Minimal, yet striking.
An industrial loft office invites ideas to flow.
A reclaimed wood desk, metal shelving, a leather chair, and large windows bring together comfort and focus. Add a task lamp and art prints to make it your own.
Even small balconies can embrace the loft vibe.
Concrete planters, metal railings, wooden decking, and a black-framed glass door create an urban oasis with grit and charm.
Industrial loft design
Isn't about being polished, It's about being real. It's honest, it's bold, and it's yours to shape. Which space would you want in your dream loft? Hit like, subscribe, and comment your favorite detail. More urban design stories coming soon.